Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Maps API to Glide, complete guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if needed. Create a new project by clicking on the Project drop-down menu and selecting New Project. Give your project a name and click Create. Scroll down to APIs and Services and select Library. In the library, search for Maps JavaScript API. Repeat this process to enable the Geocoding API and Places API. After enabling the APIs, navigate back to copy this key and keep it secure. Next, go to glideapps.com and sign in to your Glide account. Create a new project or open an existing one. In your Glide app, navigate to the Data section. Add a new sheet or use an existing one that contains location data. Make sure your sheet includes columns for addresses or coordinates. Now, click on the Maps component in your Glide app. In the Properties panel, find the option to add a Google Maps API key. Paste your previously copied API key into the designated field. Customize your map settings according to your app's requirements. If using addresses, you may need to set up a geocoding system. Utilize the Geocoding API to convert addresses into latitude and longitude. Format your API requests according to Google Maps documentation. Return to Glide and ensure your map populates with the correct locations. Test your app to confirm that the map functions as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to improve user experience. Finally, check for any usage limits or quotas on the Google API dashboard to avoid issues. Now you are ready to effectively connect Google Maps API to your Glide application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.